So here we have the Range Rover Land Rover Jag 4 remote, one button. To reveal the emergency blade, we have this bit here. There's a small arrow here that you just pop up like that. We've got a little tool here that you just slot underneath here. Just prise it up like that, just to lift that off. So there's the blade. Comes out like that. There is an extra bit on the blade itself that you just pull up here, just so that you have a bit more leverage, a bit more sort of like grip when you're actually turning it. Slot that back on like that. Blade goes back in there. Pop the top back on like that. Good to go.